Hey guys, what's up? You freaking scrubs who don't clean your gun here. Alright, so today we're going to be doing just a quick clean of what we need to do after every practice, okay? This is not the pre-tournament video, this is just the generic cleaning after practice, alright? If you don't do this, your guns are going to end up shooting like Austin Larson's or Ethan Edwards G-Tech. Those guns were horrendous, you don't want to know what the inside of them look like, or you'll fry your board like Magoo and or Austin again. So, quick today, all you gotta do, clean swab, rag, full set of Allen keys, and some lube. All of this is supplied in your brand new CS2 box. None of this you need to go buy. Don't be a scrub. Clean your freaking gun. Alright, so first thing we're gonna do here, let's check our battery level. Batteries need to be checked every time. You simply cut the gun on. I'm struggling. You cut the gun on, you hear the buzz, right? If you see the battery with the question mark, or the battery's not completely full, meaning in the black battery there is a white space, change them. Your gun will go down, somebody on your line will hear red, and then you're going to piss off your back player. Anyways, so to change your batteries in the CS2, it's simple. Make sure your gun's off. Boom. Just like that. Front grip just slides right off. Look at that, guys. Simple stuff here. Tabs right here. Right here. Other side. Boom. Tabs. Pull them. Spring loaded. You ain't even got to pull it like in the ethos. Boom. Bottom piece. Battery holder. Batteries come out. Simple. Duracells only, my guys. Duracells only. Your gun will go down. Your batteries won't last. You'll die. You'll cry. End of the day. Alright? So, you change your batteries. It's simple. On the side of your foregrip there, it shows you which way the battery goes up. For all you who don't know, the plus side of your battery, the positive, has the nipple. Okay. Battery, plus, up, down. Foregrip. Simple. Put it in. Make sure you hear it click. Once it's clicked, good to go. Alright, fresh batteries, you're good. While we're off here, make sure any residue is off of your gun. Okay, simple stuff. Look, see that little e-port terminal? We don't want to be frying our boards today. Any paint that gets in there, try and get it out with a Q-tip, rag, whatever you can. Alright, so to take your eye covers off, with the foregrip off, these tabs just like on the CS1, CS1.5, you're going to pull it. And you are going to just pull the eye cover off. Eyes are just like, these covers are just like the ether. Just wipe the little eye there. Boom, there's the actual laser eye. Wipe it, make sure it's clean. You put your eye cover back on and lock it back in place. It's the same thing for the other side. My gun's clean. What do you know? Eye cover back. Lock in place. Both eyes now cleaned. Sweet. Batteries are changed. Awesome. We're almost there, guys. Stay with me. Back cap pops up. Very simple designs here for all you noobs who don't know. You then pull the bolt right out. Alright. This is the Gamma Core Series Pro bolt. Comes with all CS2s. Alright. So your front can unscrews. Okay, it's right threaded. It just unscrews like a normal anything else. Alright. Pull it off. Alright. Simple. Unscrew, pull off. Pop the bolt out of the front can. Simply wipe off the bolt. Alright, what we're doing here is any O-rings, any extra lube, any paint residue that we see, we're going to clean off. This is your bolt front can for you scrubs. Again, wipe off all the O-rings. There's an O-ring on the inside of that front can. Let's make sure we wipe it. It tends to collect little hairs, lints, all that good stuff, right? Okay, so, boom. Bolt guide, valve, okay? We are going to unscrew the bolt guide. No. Maybe we're not going to unscrew the bolt guide. Oh. Alright, it's a different design from the Gamma Core Pro, I guess. It unscrews a different way. It's not really a big deal. We're not going to worry about it. Anyways, continue to wipe off your bolts. This shouldn't affect your gun that much or at all. Wipe off the bolt, wipe off all these O-rings. It's frustrating me that that is not unscrewing. I know it unscrews. That's what's really annoying about this. Try something. Okay, so it does unscrew. Mine was just tighter than it should have been. Okay, so it does unscrew. Bolt guide valve. Okay, so again, and mine was too tight because there was no lube on that back sealing O-ring. Okay, wipe off all these nice parts. Again, this is your valve, bolt guide. If you hear me say these things at practice and you don't understand what I'm saying, I'll get pissed off because I told you in the video. All right, so this is where we take our lube. All right, again, it's just PE lube. It's like Dow. What is it? It's like Dow 33, Dow 31, something like that. Either way, it doesn't matter. Look, you can be a little generous here, guys. Nice little daub on there, right? It's going to be good for both of those back sealing O-rings on this valve. Little O-ring right here with the excess, boom, lube it up, right? If it's not an O-ring, doesn't need lube, you're wasting your time, you're wasting your lube. All right, so valve, back down in the valve seat, boom. Okay, so to ensure that my bolt guide does not get stuck again, a little bit of lube right there on those threads and on that sealing O-ring, just like that. Again, we're just going to continue up. There's like 6 O-rings on this bolt guide. Let's make sure we get all of them nice and lubed. You can be a little generous. Again, not too overly zealous here with the lube. I like a decent amount. I like to be able to see the extra lube. If it gets into those little ports, it's not a big deal. It's going to blow right out. At the end of the day, your gun's going to be fine. All right, so make sure too much lube is better than not enough lube. If you're like hashtag Micah McLeod, Christian Campbell, you know, the OGs, you know, those guys are great. However, they let their guns get lubed by dirt. Doesn't work. Never will. At the end of the day, your gun will go down. Screw your bolt guide back in. Lube your bolt. Just continue lubing the bolt. Simple stuff here, guys. Lubing up all those nice little O-rings. For those of you who are scared to open up your guns, it's simple stuff here, guys. It's simple stuff. It's rubber, aluminum, and a tiny bit of steel. Ain't nothing. All right. Bolt on the bolt guide. Boom, done. Okay. Your front can here has 2 O-rings, one on the outside, one on the inside, which seals with your bolt. Go ahead and make sure both of them are lubed up nice. Y'all wonder why my guns shoot better than everybody else's? You know, unless you're David and think your gun shoots better than me, which it doesn't. This is what you do. All right, you do this every practice, you're going to shoot like a champ. Screw your front can back right on. Make sure you don't forget these back sealers. Make sure we have all these O-rings lubed up. You don't want to lose a seal, your gun will leak. And yeah, it's 9 times out of 10 lube. All right, boom, just like that. Bolts ready, good to go. If there's any debris in the bore of your gun there, wipe it out. Mine's clean. That's what the squeegee's for. Insert it, rub it around, boom. Even cleaner than it was. What do you know? Clean bolt, back into the gun. You got fresh batteries. You wiped off any little bit of paint on your eyes. Boom. Front grip, back on. You're ready to go out and rip some kids up. Have a great day. The next video is going to be a little bit deeper, showing you what you should do before every tournament. Well, not before every tournament, after every tournament, and just a little bit deeper into marker maintenance. Thanks, guys. Let's do it.